Okay. We should be in business now. All right. So with this secrecy of energy, baby, somebody might be planning on reaching out, texting you, calling you, or something like that. Okay. And maybe letting you know something is really giving, trying to take a jab at you or something though. Okay. Somebody was definitely meeting up, talking to somebody in secrecy, hiding the fact. Okay. And it seems as if they getting karma now. Okay. Somebody has hit rock bottom. They may be having some type of legal issues. Okay. We got unknown callers. So somebody may be calling you from jail, baby. Okay. They might be calling you blocked, or they might be having somebody reach out to you. It's something about somebody really wanting to reach out to you, but not necessarily knowing what to say to you. Okay. Mm-hmm. Some with some spam calls. All right. Somebody is hiding their true feelings. Okay. And it's creating some type of chaos when it comes to their place of residency, is what I'm going to say. All right. This is the type of person where they take their anger out on other people, or they take their frustrations out on other people. Somebody is actually quite mentally manipulative. So when they're feeling a certain type of way, they will project that energy on a person close to them. But then they will antagonize that person as if that person is doing something to them if they respond to it. It's kind of like that rage baiting. Okay. Yeah. But either way it go, baby, when it comes to the secrecy of energy, is giving, is creating some type of power struggle, some type of push pull dynamic imbalances. hmm Okay. We got an infatuation. So it's something with somebody being infatuated or obsessed with talking to another person. They're very attracted to them. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. And even though they getting karma, they still being stubborn. Okay, push pull with this infatuation. Somebody being stubborn, their intuition is telling them that something is going on, but yeah, no, look, see, caught red handed. That intuition, I'm telling you, it's exposing some shit. And not to mention somebody's bossiness, their selfishness, the fact that they're being inflexible. Your intuition is letting you know that they got some type of secrets going on. Somebody is calling another person private and shit like that too. See, look, hiding their true feelings, no contact, they're blocking you off. Okay, or they may have been blocking you off. We got the X here. Okay, spotlight and opposites attract. So it's something about your ex, or you being the ex, something, baby, and you getting some type of attention or something like that for something that makes you different. It says that you're not your usual type. Okay. Mhm. Mm. So yeah, some fighting going on with this ex because they hiding their true feelings. Yep, and they've been blocked when it comes to their intuition. Right. So somebody wasn't able to take heed to the warning signs, and now they getting karma. And they being stubborn, planning to reach out to you. All right. But they still infatuated. They plan on reaching out to you to let you know that they still infatuated with you, but they still being secretive. Yeah. And that's what attention is being brought to, whatever this push pull dynamic is. Because somebody is obsessed with you for your differences, but at the same time, it's like they don't want to. It's really giving like side with you, like let you be different. It's like they admire you for your difference, but then they want to get you and then try to redirect it, change it, transform it, control it. Like it's mm, yeah, nah. Okay, and even with the spotlight energy and this opposites attract, it's something about you receiving a lot of attention and this person not really receiving much attention. You know, somebody is getting karma, or they always at rock bottom because they be stubborn and then they feel guilty later. This is like the type of person to react first and then, you know what I mean? Think about it. If that even happens, okay? Yeah, their intuition is telling them that they've been caught red-handed. And again, it's something about like you getting rid of them. Right. See, egg on their face, red flags. This shit backfired when it came to them trying to hide their feelings and block you off. Mm-hmm. Cause see, it's something about you seeing the red flags, the signs of deception, and the fact that somebody was cheating. And this shit done backfired on them because now they really want to talk to you more than anything, and I don't think you give a fuck about what it is that they got to say. Mm-hmm. Yeah, nah. What's going on? They know they caught. Childish in the reverse. See, it's something about you being very mature. Mm-hmm. Very calm, cool, collector. All right. With the spotlight energy. What's going on with this? We got toxic people. So it's something about you being mature, yet you attracting toxic people due to that opposites attract. I do you one better, Pisces, and tell you that if you're a healer, naturally you're going to attract wounded people. You're going to attract broken people. Okay? You're going to attract things that need to be fixed. hmm Somebody is damn guilty though. They feel remorseful because again, you got rid of their ass. Mm-hmm. Twin flame dynamic. Okay. This was some type of somebody regrets running from you, making you chase them. Mm-hmm. Hmm. And even when it comes to this toxic people and this opposites attract, you attract a lot of people with obsessions. Obsessions, addictions. Like it's something where people don't know how to control their fucking mind when it comes to you. That energy. It's something about the energy that you give. It's like a high, a first high. Okay, so naturally you attract wounded people, and some people want to be healed. They want to be fixed, but some people don't. But they'll fake it just to have access to your energy. hmm See, high value, high value. They was making you chase them, and you were the high value one. The empress, the emperor, baby. Something about you being, abundant, confident, sexy, shit. hmm And then this other person was living beyond their means. Yeah. hmm It's something about somebody looking at your pictures, okay? And again, feeling shameful because you won't talk to them. Yep. And then I keep on saying that it's something where, again, you're causing a disturbance in a place where you don't even fucking reside, baby. It's fighting with this ex due to these red flags, baby. Somebody is looking at pictures of you and they envy you. I don't know if you have had a glow up, a grow up. You did something. Something done transform with you. And it's obvious. It's seen. Something has been modified. A noticeable change. A physical change. Something different with you. And you already, somebody is a hater. They're a fucking hater. Spiteful, jealous. Fighting the ex, red flags, envy. And somebody is trying to hold back the fact that they envious of you too. It's something where you really sparking somebody's insecurities, Pisces. Okay? With that envy, it's something where somebody feels insecure over the things that you have and the things that they don't have. Yep, hiding their true feelings, no contact, egg on their face, pictures. hmm Somebody could have even been trying to do some type of projecting onto your energy through picture, doing picture work or something like that. Okay. Your intuition alerted you. And again, this person got caught. They got fired. You too high vibrational. Okay. But again, with this rock bottom, stubborn, guilt, 1111, somebody is learning a karmic lesson because they kept on doing the same shit over and over again. They got arrogant with this. hmm Planning, infatuation, opposites attract toxic people. It's something about somebody liking to mix and mingle with like dingy energy too. Fucked up people. I kid you not. Them hiding this information and being mysterious is what was creating this power struggle. Because there's something about like them being seen as being mature, but they not fucking mature. Somebody was Netflix and chilling with an older person, spending time with somebody old, sneaking around with somebody old, living a double life, liar, deception in another relationship, Netflix and chill, double life. They a whore, and they was smiling in your face. Come get they funky ass in your bed. Mm-hmm. Cold shoulder. Yeah, you broke up with this person, put distance between again, and now your value is really able to be seen. They really desire you though. Cold shoulder. Somebody, it's something about you ignoring again the whatever it is, the thoughts, okay? Because somebody be sending you some type of sexual energy. They want you to think of them. They want you to want to talk to them. They want you to have to call them. They looking at your pictures with envy, baby. I kid you not. They mad as fuck about this glow up. I don't know what this is about, but they mad as fuck. Do you hear me? Look, I told you with them pictures in these mind games. Somebody be pleasuring themselves to your pictures as well too. Or they got some type of sexual videos or something. They be trying to pull on your energy. This shit is backfiring though. Shit ain't even working for them. They ain't even getting aroused by this shit. Dating. Look, they envious because they know you back on the market too. Not only are you high value, but you back on the market. See, so it's something about you being able to snatch that high value energy as well too. Your counterpart gonna have to be equal naturally. And see, somebody was simply only dating out of envy that they had for you. Somebody wanted to link up with somebody and then make it seem like they was happy in order to make you feel a certain type of way. But I really don't think you're paying attention. Okay. I think you more so focused on you. See, when it comes to this determined, this persistent, still holding on, flowers, gifts, it's like, somebody got a lot of different shit that belong to you. Okay. It's making me feel like you invested in the bigger picture though. You tired of the karmic cycles. You tired of the same shit that merry-go-round. This one flip over in here. Nope. Yeah, we got hurting. Hurting. Oh. Secretive, push pull, spotlight, Netflix and chill, hurting. Somebody feel like you wait, look, what is this? Hurting why? Determined. So somebody is depressed, okay? And it's something about them creeping, okay? They still holding on to you even though they're living a double life. Like this is odd. Somebody got two different something wrong with them, two different minds, two different personalities. This motherfucker crazy. Pop up. Cold shoulder, pop up. They determined to pop up in your energy. Somebody got some type of entity on them is what it is. And they be trying to use that entity to travel, but it's getting weaker. They vessel getting weak too. See? Look. Soul contract. They're trying to tap back into your energy. Mm-hmm. This entity is hopping around through different people that you dating. If you dating somebody and then they fuck around and have this wound, like this envy, like they feel like you have more than them and therefore I really can't even explain it. It's like a wanting to dominate you, wanting to overpower you, wanting to control you. It's again, this energy house hopping. Look, avoidance in the reverse. I ain't playing with you. Ain't no avoidance. Ain't it hiding when it comes to this whole contract? No, nothing like that. Thinking of you. Somebody is trying to find the next best of you. I kid you not. Crying, nostalgic, missing you. Yeah, they can't avoid this soul contract and they want to pop up. They determined. I don't know what the fuck this is though, because it's like they want to hurt your feelings. Mm-hmm. Communication, message. Somebody feels a certain type of way about something you said. Because they determine, and again, you sick like damn. It's like they don't want to hear that it's over, but it's fucking over. Like, this shit weird as hell. Right, see? Somebody want to pop up and try to spiritually attack you, but that's why they're already getting fucking karma. Okay, they feel like they got unfinished business with you when it comes to this soul contract. That's that possessiveness. You don't fucking belong to them. Mm-hmm. See, they feel like you have to resolve some type of conflict, make amends, have a positive outcome. Okay. And instead of thinking of you, they need to choose motherfucking self love because they got more shit to worry about right now. Chaos, jobless, everything crumbling, distractions, deuces. Like, you don't cut ties. And since you've cut ties, this person is unsure of the fucking decisions that they had. But I mean, they can't keep on with this sneaking and creeping, the shit that they've been doing. I don't really understand why this came out in your energy outside of this person being focused on you because you're not creeping with them, nor do you give a fuck about who they creeping with. This person is no longer any of your concern. Okay? So, yeah, that was your read, Pisces.